Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple sign-up forms from scratch on your Wix.com website. So start from the dashboard and you want to click on this button up here to design your site. Once you click on that, it'll take you to here. This is a Wix website editor. From here, you want to go on the left-hand side here to add elements. On add elements, you want to go to here, contacts and forms. On contacts and form, press on this to create a new form. Just click on the plus button there. It'll add it onto the site. Now it'll pop up this dashboard as well where you can customize your form. So if you want to do a sign up form, let's do first name, last name, and email. If you want to add other things to your sign up form, like short answer or your phone or the address or subscribe, you can do that. Since it's signing up, let's make them automatically subscribe as well. Yes, subscribing to your newsletter. So something simple like this. After you're done and happy with this, click on save. Wait for it to load. After it's saved, you can exit out. And now you have a very simple sign up form here. If you want to add a text so it's clear, just go back to the plus button to add elements and just add a simple text. I'm gonna name it sign up here. Sign up here. And I'm gonna center it real quick. There you go. Now you have a very simple sign up form from scratch.